Most of the strength standards you see online are absolute garbage for guys like us. They're built for 20-year-olds on gear or people who don't have a 9 to 5 and a family. If you're over 40 and chasing a 600-pound deadlift, might just need an surgery you don't need. Today, I'm giving you the 3 benchmarks for a durable athlete. Or in other words, standards that prove you're strong, capable, and built to last. Standard number 1 is the deadlift. For a regular guy over 40, your goal is not to lift half a ton. It's to lift 1.5 to 2 times your own body weight. For example, if you're 200 pounds, pulling 315 pounds to 400 pounds is elite for our age group. Why? Because the Hinge is about posterior chain health. It's what keeps your back from blowing out when you pick up your kids or a bag of salt. If you cannot hit at least 1.5 times your body weight, we need to work on your leg drive and core stability, not just adding more plates. Standard number 2 is the pull-up. Most guys my size, 220 pounds plus, ignore these. If you cannot move your own body weight, you're truly not strong. The standard for a man over 40 is from 5 to 10 dead stock clean reps. No kipping, no half reps. This is the ultimate test for your power to weight ratio. It proves you aren't just gym strong, you're functionally capable. If you're at 0, start with negatives. Don't let your weight be an excuse for lack of mobility. Standard number 3 is the sled push. This makes a difference for hybrid athletes. A lot of guys over 40 can lift heavy, but they're gassed as soon as they start walking up a flight of stairs. The standard is at least pushing 1.5 times your body weight for 50 yards in under 60 seconds. This isn't just leg strength, it's also cardio durability. It's the benchmark that shows you got an engine that doesn't quit when things get heavy. So now let's make it practical. If you aren't hitting these numbers yet, don't panic. We're rebuilding here. 2 tips to get you there. The 80% rule. Stop maxing out every week. Train at 80% intensity to save your joints. And the second tip, consistency over intensity. Train for 20 minutes either in your garage or in the gym at least 3 times a week. Will beat a 2-hour hero workout once a month. This is about being durable, not just by peaking for a day. So these are the standards. If you hit them, you're ahead of 90% of men our age.